Second level, Azure Dragon Swings Tail. Azure Dragon Swings Tail uses the bow stance. Same as Spotted Tiger embraces head. First, set into a left bow stance. Both hands in 8-palm shape. Cross them over the support. Perform 3 breathing cycles. Inhale, exhale, repeat. Three breathing cycles complete, that is the front breathing. Begin striking the support. Raise both hands above the head. Then, strike the center of the support with the right palm. This is a transitional movement. Right hand swings back into an empty lift.